Where I'm sitting right now used to be material storage. Now all the wood I have here have moved over there. And now we're extending my garage. So we're turning this into a part of my garage. So a wall here, garage door here, will be perfect. Wood moved over here. Built a new shed for it. There's one problem here. A rock right inside here. I can see if we can remove it. If not, we're gonna make a bench or something over it. The stone is removed. Took about 2 days. Yesterday has to be cut short because it started raining. Now this is removed. It's pretty big. See it? There. Here is the rock, pretty big actually. We had to winch it away. So what we're doing now is putting a wall here and removing this shelves here, and then we're just gonna be trying to get things cleaned up. Maybe we should clean things up first. This is the frame of many of my failed go-karts. So I'm thinking we maybe gonna hang it on the wall or something on the roof. But I'm still taking parts of it. And yeah, it can be nice to have it there. And I'll put it up here, I think. But yeah. It's been 2 days now since I filmed on this project last time. Since then I cleaned this place here out totally and put gravel on the floor, and I also started to clean out some stuff inside. We can take a look at that. What's happening here is that here is where the door to the extension of the garage is gonna be. So I had to remove the bench, was here, like that. So I moved the bench was like along here, cut this corner off, this getting removed, and I'm removing more stuff. It's pretty much a mess here now. Pit bikes parked here, ordered tires for it, haven't arrived yet. So, well, today I'm gonna keep cleaning inside here. Start to feel like I'm dreaming, man, should have seen that look on my face. But I'm so low key, I'm on a... So, garage is cleaned. Kind of, at least. Probably enough. Next up, gonna be making the door here. I cleared away some stuff here, the tool board and stuff like that was screwed to a wall. So making the door, the wall, and the garage door gonna be next up. And that's it. The garage extension is finished. Got the doors on, opened up this hole here in the wall, and it turned out really nice. Now I can park my lawnmower inside the shop. Finally. I have to apologize, the filming wasn't top notch maybe. It's been 2 weeks since I filmed on this project last time, and spreading out the film over many days is always very difficult, but I try to make the best I can out of the situation. When it comes to this build, we're thinking a little, I've been contemplating between making some different stuff of it. And so we'll see where that happens. And the pit bike will be back very, very soon. So that's gonna be nice.